Hey friends, welcome back. Today I have a massive deep cleaning video to share with you. So it's like you guys always see, like my house is pretty much like surface cleaned. So I just gotta like kind of pick up and straighten up. But since we've had the air on pretty much the whole summer, it's been dusty and I really haven't like moved out the furniture and like dusted and like got underneath the couches and you know, did that kind of clean where I'm telling you right now, once I pull out like this little thing right here, it's gonna be a dusty mess. Like I wanna pull out behind the stove and the fridge and like the refrigerator and clean over there. I wanna pull out my coffee bar and I really wanna get down and like clean the floor, especially since we just painted, and maybe make sure I got, you know, no spots on there. I just want to pull out everything and give it a real good cleaning. Just like my lights, my fan, just make sure there's no like cobwebs in the corners. Rhea is having her birthday next week and she's gonna have some classmates over, so I want to make sure the house is presentable because I'm always really big on like making sure the house looks really nice when the girls have friends over, because like I never want to be that like house where the girls be like, oh my god, I went to Rhea's house but her mom's a real big slob, the house is disgusting. Like I don't ever like want to be that family. So but anyways, like I said, this is like an extreme deep clean dusting. I am going to go ahead and put a polish on my wood floors. And yeah, the lighting might be weird because we are just going through like some raining days over here. So yeah, I'm gonna throw on some music and I will maybe do some voiceovers here and there, but yeah, enjoy.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me. Stuck in my head when lights go off. You're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
up. This is, I had him come in and take down the screens for the windows, so it was pretty nasty. We have to do the outside windows, but we'll get to that. It's easier to get the inside of the house done first.
Keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it will be so sweet. But when it's you and me, nobody can bring us down, bring us down. But I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back. 'Cause I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back.
are done. Just to recap, I really bit off more than I can chew with this cleaning project. But yeah, so this was probably about a 2-hour project. Doesn't probably seem like that much when you guys are watching it now, but when you do this like deep cleaning, it always takes forever. So you guys seen, we went through and we cleaned all the windows. I cleaned all like the frames. Leo went out and we took off the screens and we went outside and washed those, so the windows are nice and clean. I had just cleaned my drapes, so those are good. I did go up through all the frames and the corners, and I took my vacuum and I got around there. I did go through all the baseboards. I got behind the couch. I pulled out my rug, pulled out everything to get behind there. My girls do suffer from allergies, so I have to wash that. I'm gonna get an extension cord for that. That looks bougie, but whatever. So everything is all good. I did dust. Okay, so here we go. The floors are done. We did 2 layers of that quick shine, and I think they look pretty good. I did buy it at Walmart. I think it was like $7. And I mean, it looks okay. It doesn't smell or anything. I know, so here is the floor. There used to be like a little stand there years ago, and we pulled it out when we moved here. The mop I use is from Clorox. I'll link it down below. I got it at Target. It's like the 2-in-1 mop, and I absolutely love it. How about when I pulled this thing forward and all the dust, and that was so embarrassing, but I don't know why it accumulates there, but it just does. But we friends here, we gonna keep it real, and yeah. So yeah, and I just took the flip side of that mop and I dusted all along my floorboards. You see me clean off this door. I think I'm gonna paint it. What color do you guys think I should paint it? I think when they got this, it was like an unfinished door, and it looks like he just like primed it white. I was thinking of like staining it to match like the wood trim, but then I don't know. I'm always debating. On the other side, I would love to paint it like a real pretty blue, like maybe like a cubby blue or like a vintage red. But on this side, I don't know. I think I would maybe just stain it to match the wood around the trim. I don't know yet. I'm kind of lost. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So yeah, here goes my table. Here goes this candle. I know I showed you guys it last time when we did my house tour, but somebody had asked, I actually got a lot of questions about this candle and what it smelled like and why I went with it. So if you go to the Homesick Candles, they did give me a discount code that's available to the end of September down below. But you can pick either a couple different countries, a couple different occasions, or your city or your state. So I was in between Illinois, Chicago, and Mexico. My husband is first generation here, and he hasn't been to Mexico in a really long time. And the scents just smelled like, when they were describing it, it said it smelled like Mexican sweetbread, and I was like, oh my god, I bet you that will smell so good for fall. So that's why I went ahead and got that. But these are 100% soy candles. They're non-toxic. They got a premium cotton wick. So it's supposed to burn for over 60 hours, and it is 100% American made. So I got me an American made candle. It smells like Mexico. There you go. But alright, so finishing up, we are all good. So if you guys want to see like a part 2, when I do like the dining area and the kitchen, let me know below. The kitchen won't take me too long because I just did deep clean it. I just really want to get the floors after I painted it. But yeah, I don't know, I'm liking the shine. Can you guys tell the difference or no? Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I am sweating to death. It is really humid and we have the windows open, but it did just rain and I don't know. But I need to get myself together and kind of clean up. Because you know when you deep clean, like another room gets messy. It's just the way it is. But if you guys like these types of videos, do not forget to give this one a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about the door color, because I need some suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe. But alright, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and have a great one. Bye guys.
Take a slide, find your zone every day.